Hello everyone! From now we are starting the Roblox Rivals game video. In this video, based on the latest 2026 update, I will show you all the newest Rivals codes that are currently working properly in the game, all in one place. Even after this update, there are still many codes that have not expired and are still available. So I strongly recommend that you do not skip any part and watch the video until the end. If you do not watch until the end, you may miss some important Rivals codes that are still working. Before starting the video, we will also hold a small Rivals giveaway event. Through this giveaway, you will have the chance to receive any item you want to use from the in-game shop. The way to participate is very simple. First, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then, leave your Roblox username in the comments. After that, watch the video until the end, and your giveaway participation will be completed. Important notice: if you do not watch the video until the end, your participation will be automatically cancelled, so please be careful. Now let's officially begin entering the Rivals codes. All the codes I have prepared have been personally checked and confirmed to be working in 2026. For those who do not know how to enter codes in Rivals, I will explain it very simply. First, press the shop menu at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the More button and go to the Codes menu. At the bottom, you will see a code input box. From now on, simply enter the codes exactly as I show them. The order of entering the codes does not matter. So now let's enter all the Rivals codes one by one. Let's begin right away.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean